guys, welcome back to the channel. Got Shifty McShifty back in the garage here, and I ordered a clutch cover off eBay, and it came with the shift arm here. And I was actually comparing these, and it looks like this one that was on there, remember it was cracked, it is quite a bit out further than this one that I got. So what I'm wondering is if this was adjusted out too far, it's gonna always be pushing on this clutch pack, not allowing it to engage. So I got my caliper out here. I'm gonna take some measurements and see if that's the case. Got our new shift arm swapped over, and I have it adjusted all the way in, and then once this cover's on, we'll adjust it with the nut on the outside. Got our new gasket on, got our surface here cleaned up, so we'll go ahead and put this on. All right, we'll go ahead and put some oil back in. All right, let's fire this thing up and see if we can get it into gear. Well, that's disappointing. It sounds like it's going into gear, but it's kind of, I don't know, grinding or something. So I think the next plan, I'll take this cover off here and see if anything's going on. All right, so I got that new shift arm on and got that adjusted, and we started up, and it still wasn't moving. You kind of hear it ratcheting. So I took this cover off, and then I was kind of rolling it by hand here, and I discovered this has a crack in it, and it is probably ratcheting on these splines. So it looks like it's cracked in 3 spots, I'm seeing. So I think that explains it, why I can move it by hand and it doesn't do it, but when the engine power turns it, it probably opens up more. So I gotta figure out how to replace this. Hopefully I don't have to take the swing arm shaft off here, but I probably will. So yeah, looks like I'm gonna have to find this piece, and hopefully that is the only problem. All right, stay tuned.